Hey guys, I'm Daniel. This is my 1997 Daihatsu Move. I've had it since I was 14. When I got it, it didn't actually run, but a bit of work, new fuel pump, fixed the hole in the bonnet that was there and there, and yeah, now it's a little ripper. Until I blew up the motor, then I rebuilt that and made it more powerful, put an exhaust system on it. Yeah, it's basically the clown of our group. But it's a good car, lots of fun. So it's had the motor rebuilt because I put a cold air intake on it, and you know, when you're younger you make mistakes. And a bit of weld flew into the motor and yeah, she started knocking on the door pretty loud. So pulled the motor out, bigger oversized pistons went in, higher compression pistons, shaved the head a bit, put it all back together. It runs a lot better now, and it runs, doesn't knock on the door anymore. So yeah, then that. It's got a bigger intake on it, straight from the intake manifold, which helps it breathe a lot more because it used to just be useless past 3,000. It's had a bigger exhaust from the headers back, and that it goes from 1 3/4 to 1.5 inches. Makes it sound nice. Goes not really any better with it, but hey, sound's all that matters. And the bonnet's been resprayed and attempted carbon fiber wrap. It's a good thing that you're a distance away because then you can't actually see the imperfections, but oh well. And that's pretty much my I put new speakers in it because I blew up the old ones, as you do as a P-plater. I love the Move because well, first of all, you won't find an easier car to park at the shops. It literally is a bicycle. You fit it in a bicycle park. Also, it's fuel efficient as it sips off no fuel at all. It's got a 20-litre tank. Cost me $25 to fill up a week. It's a pretty good life. And overall, it's got character. It's pretty rare that you drive along the street and someone doesn't go, "Oh damn!" It's pretty funny. They all laugh and you just laugh with them. You just forget that it's a stupid car, but it's great. And it has what's the word? It has character, which is its biggest attribute. And all my mates that have driven it always have a smile while they're doing it, because you can floor it and it sounds like it's going like 500 kilometers an hour, but in realistic, it's just doing about 60. So with all our cars, we got to make sure that we get a decibel reading. So that's what matters, isn't it? There we go.
You got 99.8.
Ready?
Yep. Yeah. 115.9 at the max.
It sounded pretty loud.
And a phone full of fuel.
I hope you enjoyed watching the run through of my cute little car, and you'll see it in future episodes. Catch ya.